Hello everyone. In this video I am going to tell you how student can upload their answer sheet in class notebook from Microsoft Team mobile app. So first of all of you open Play Store and here type OneNote. You will get like this. That is the first link. Because I already installed it, showing open. You click on install and after installation you will see like this. So this is my OneNote. When it will be installed, you click on this and that could be your first interface. But here I want to tell you one thing. It can ask user ID and password. So all of you must enter user ID and password which you are using for the Microsoft Team given by the school to all of you. So it can ask when you will enter the user ID and password, it automatically sync with the Microsoft Team mobile app. I will show you later how. So that would be your first screen. You can see in this window there are two notebooks, IP class 11 notebook and 8th B notebook. So Om Lakhina is a student of 8th B. So first of all I am showing his notebook of class 8th B. In 8th B you can see class Om Lakhina. So when you open notebook, you will see only your name, like Om Lakhina is here and class note. So I am giving you another example because to make this video I added him in the IP class 11 notebook as well. I am going to click on this. Now you can see from the beginning I want to show you. Again you see Om Lakhina. Om Lakhina is here. In the Om Lakhina class note section is there, which we told you in the training session. To open this to upload the pages, as I told you, in this window you can see Hindi, IP, Maths, Physics, BST, English. So now you can think, what is this? Suppose your exams are going on and your first exam was Hindi. तो हिंदी का आपको अपलोड करना है. Then you click on Hindi. So you have already uploaded it as a student. Then IP, then as a student I already uploaded आंसर शीट ऑफ IP. देन आफ्टर दैट देर वाज एग्ज़ाम ऑफ मैथ्स, तो मैंने मैथ्स का भी अपलोडेड कर दिया. फॉर फिजिक्स, ये फिजिक्स का भी अपलोड कर दिया. सो आई टोल्ड यू वन बाय वन. देन बिजनेस स्टडी का भी अपलोड कर दिया. सो यू कैन सी हेयर. सो यू कैन सी व्हाट इज़ दिस. हिंदी, IP, मैथ्स, फिजिक्स, all these are called sections. All these are called pages of a class note section. So I am telling you here, practically I am showing you how you can edit. सपोज मेरा हिंदी का भी एग्ज़ाम हो गया, IP का भी हो गया, मैथ्स का भी हो गया, फिजिक्स का भी हो गया. नाउ सपोज केमिस्ट्री का एग्ज़ाम है मेरा आज. सो आई वॉन्ट टू अपलोड पेजेस ऑफ ए केमिस्ट्री एग्ज़ाम. So for this, right hand side you can see there is a plus symbol. You click on this to make a new page. So here you write like this, chemistry, and after that click on this area and select. From the left side there is second option, camera option. Click on this and select image from gallery. Here also I want to tell you, you must select this option because we want answer sheet from your side in JPG format. So you must select this option only. Click image from file. Now I am uploading any file, any JPG, for example like this. Now click on done to upload. It is uploaded. Again I am uploading another file. Click on again camera option, image from file, and I am selecting any file like this. So I uploaded two files. I am going back, show you again. Again I am going in IP class 11th book Om Lakhina. I want to check कि अपलोड हुई है कि नहीं हुई है. क्लास नोट केमिस्ट्री का एग्ज़ाम हो गया. सो येस, अपलोडेड. दैट इज़ ए कन्फर्मेशन. सो यू क्रिएट सेपरेट पेज फॉर ईच सब्जेक्ट that is comfortable for you as well as for your teacher. And as I told you in the beginning, as you install the class note or sign in by the entering your user ID and password, it automatically synced in Microsoft Team. Now I'm going to show you how. You open Microsoft Team in your mobile. For example, this one. I'm going to show you how. I'm going out, click on team. From the beginning I'm showing you, and more. Now you can see there is the option of class note. As I clicked on this, it will ask automatically OneNote app. With the help of OneNote app, you open it. Now you can see Om Lakhina. I am going in class note. Now see, as I shown you earlier, chemistry, physics, English, BST, there are various subjects, but recently I added or uploaded answer sheet of a chemistry. I clicked on this. Now you can see this is uploaded. So I recommend all of you sync your class notebook by entering the user ID and password. Then you no need to go into the Microsoft Team to upload your pages. You can directly work in OneNote app. So I hope all of you got it and like it. Thank you.